Nervous system. Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to explore some fascinating questions. Have you ever wondered how we can see all the different colors and shapes around us? Or how we're able to hear various sounds, like music or people talking? Let's dive into the amazing world of our nervous system to find out. Nervous system. Our nervous system is pretty awesome. It's made up of the brain, the spinal cord, and a whole network of nerves. These parts work together to help us do everything from moving and thinking to sensing the world around us. Let's find out how each part plays a role in this process. The brain. The brain is an important organ of our body. It is the control center of our body. It sends and receives messages from different parts of the body through spinal cord and nerves. It is protected by the bony skull. The space between the brain and the skull is filled with a fluid that acts as a shock absorber. This fluid protects the brain from injuries. The parts of the brain. Our brain has three main parts. The cerebrum is the biggest part and is super smart. It helps us think, learn, and control our senses. Then, we have the cerebellum, sitting below the cerebrum, helping us move smoothly and keep our balance. Lastly, the medulla oblongata, our brain stem, connects our brain to the spinal cord and controls things we don't even have to think about, like breathing and our heartbeat. The spinal cord. The spinal cord is a long, thick bundle of nerves that extends down from the medulla till the lower end of the backbone. It is protected by the backbone. Nerves originate from the spinal cord and spread all over the body. The spinal cord is responsible for carrying messages between the brain and the rest of the body through nerves. It also controls the actions that do not involve the brain. These actions are called reflex actions. Nerves. Nerves are made of special cells called neurons. They run all through our body, carrying messages between the brain and every part of us. There are three types of nerves. Sensory nerves carry messages from the sense organs to the brain or spinal cord. Motor nerves carry messages from the brain or spinal cord to the muscles, organs, or glands. Mixed nerves do both jobs and carry messages to and from the brain. Reflex actions. When you touch a hot object or are pricked by a thorn, your immediate reaction is to withdraw your hand. These responses happen automatically and are known as reflex actions. Reflex actions are managed by the spinal cord. Another instance of a reflex action is when your mouth waters upon seeing food. Sense organs. Our sense organs, the nose, ears, skin, tongue, and eyes, connect us to the outside world. They help us smell, hear, feel, taste, and see. Let's take a closer look at how each of these organs works. Eyes. The eyes help us to see. Each eyeball is safely set in a deep bony socket in the skull. It is further protected by eyelids and eyelashes. Eyelids and eyelashes protect the eyes from dust. In the front of the eye, there is circular and transparent part called cornea. The colored part of the eye is iris. An opening of the iris called pupil allows the light to enter the lens. Care of our eyes. Wash your eyes regularly with clean water. Do not work in a dim light or very bright light. Sit 6 feet away from the television. Do not watch television for long hours. Do not play computer games or video games for long hours. While reading, keep your book about 12 inches from your eyes. Always sit upright while reading. Ears. Our ears let us hear sounds and help us keep our balance. They have three parts: the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. The auditory nerve connects our ears to the brain, helping us hear. Care of our ears. Keep the ears clean and dry. Use a dry towel to clean your ears. Do not clean your ears with sharp objects. The nose. Our nose helps us breathe and smell. It has lots of nerve endings at the top that help us detect different smells. Care of the nose. Gently blow your nose and use tissues to keep it clean. Avoid sharp objects inside your nose to prevent injury. The tongue. The tongue helps us to taste. It also helps in speaking. The surface of the tongue has many taste buds. Taste buds have nerve endings which carry messages to the brain. The tongue can detect 4 types of tastes: sweet, sour, salty, and bitter. We should keep our tongue clean with the help of a tongue cleaner. Skin. Our skin is the outermost layer of our body and lets us feel things like heat, cold, and pressure. Care of the skin. Bathe with soap and clean water. It helps to remove dirt and sweat. Sweat comes out through pores on the skin. Wear clean and dry clothes.